Okay, here it is, guys. You guys can see. Okay. If you want to tune that much, we got him like in the cage, so we just got him in the cage, so you guys can see. I don't want to get like too close. Damn, dude, Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my god, dude, look. So yeah, we got him in a cage. Shit, yeah. We got him in a cage. Alright, there you guys can see. We got him in a fucking cage. Jesus, like, shit, dude. We got this there, so, yeah. I don't think I do stuff, but look over here, shit, but I don't know. But yeah, I just want to show it to you guys, because we got this, and yeah, I just want to show you guys, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, subscribe. Oh shit! Oh shit! All right, see you guys.